Hello and welcome to Trending Tech. Be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on because we upload 3 new videos about technology you have never seen before. You definitely don't want to miss out on all that free knowledge. Also, like this video as it helps us a great deal to reach more knowledge-hungry future innovators just like you. That being said, let's get started right now. Product number 1. Parkus Lift Bike. Starting off today's video, we give you a new way to park your bike. The Parkus Lift Bike is designed so that you may store your bike vertically. This has its advantages as it can save you a tiny bit of that precious real estate. Simply attach your bike to the metal head of the Parkus lift, and there you have it, vertical parking. Next up, vertical car parking, maybe. Make sure you stick around and watch the entire video because there are 8 more innovative gadgets to look at that are sure to evoke the innovator within you. Product number 2. Wallabot DIY. Next up, the Wallabot DIY. This is a handy new invention that allows the user to see through walls, or at least it detects certain things behind walls, specifically pipes and wires, to help out the handyman of the house. The Wallabot DIY detects wood and metal studs, PVC and metal pipes, electric cables and wires inside walls, uses cutting-edge radar technology to see inside drywall and concrete walls, currently doesn't support lath and plaster walls, scans up to 4 inches, that's 10 centimeters, deep into your walls. It can be used to area scan walls. It will give you a united image of a certain area of your wall. I would feel like Superman using this one. Maybe I'll get laser eyes while I'm at it. Product number 3. Automatic car sunshade main operation. Don't you just hate it when you leave your car out in the open on a hot summer day only to return later to a boiling room? Well, one innovator might have found a fancy solution for your car. The automatic car sunshade main operation deploys from the roof of your car. It acts as an umbrella of sorts, to keep the sun and perhaps rain off. This way you won't end up having a mobile sauna and cool off much easier. The links to buy all of these products can be found in the description below. Be sure to check them out. Product number 4. Altwork. Getting into this one straight away, the Altwork allows you to work any way you want, whichever way you want. They say sitting for long periods of time isn't healthy, so with the Altwork, you can simply sit up, adjust your desk and chair, and you're good to go. If you're the laying down type, like me, also just adjust the chair and your desk to your liking and continue working. The Altwork station supports your body and your work by seamlessly conforming your keyboard, desk, mouse, and monitor to your body. This allows you to create a massive selection of working positions with your computer so you can work the right way for the right task. It's time to move beyond outmoded furniture and create a new way to work for digital professionals. And it just looks pretty cool. Product number 5. iPro Golf Hole Cutter. One for all the golf fans out there, or at least those working to maintain those fields. We have the iPro Golf Hole Cutter. For any of those uninformed, maintaining a golf field is quite difficult and expensive, which is why it's the world's most expensive sport. But this new invention might help change things around. The iPro Golf Hole Cutter is very much what its name suggests. It is a device that can cut holes in the ground and even fill in already existing ones in the case a hole movement is necessary. The new BMS Golf Hole Cutter design was used at the 2015 Open Championship Qualifying Series Final. At the immaculately prepared Woburn Golf Club. It features a bubble level built into the top handle, with an auto-locking handle system, balanced to carry straight after cutting. New tough molded hand grips. Ratchet extraction system makes plug extraction clean and easy. Super sharp and smooth. New blade materials and an anti-clog and corrosion system. Optional fixed depth stop for perfect depth control. I wouldn't be surprised to see one of these in one of Trump's many golf courses. Also, like the video and subscribe to our channel if you are enjoying the video so far. Product number 6. Flux Bag. Here's one that I never thought of, but I'm already liking the practicality of it. The Flux Bag makes the monotonous task of blowing air into an inflatable a breeze. Pun not intended. Simply trap some air within the bag, attach it to what needs inflating, press down, and within seconds you're done. Some extra facts about the Flux Bag. It comes with an extra large pump sack. Inflates sleeping pads and other items with just one breath. Breathe just once into the Flux Bag and then push the air quickly and effortlessly into any inflatable item. Compatible with all valves. Any outdoor sleeping pad, but also other air mattresses and inflatable pool toys or rafts. 9 adapters that fit all outdoor gear and other inflatables. 3-in-1 multi-purpose. Doubles as an extra large stuff sack. Made with durable and lightweight nylon fabric. Supersize for faster inflation in one go and larger storage capacity as a dry sack. Novel but proven. Introduced on the official German version of Shark Tank in 2017. Sold more than 100,000 units since. Being that it's this practical yet relatively cheap, I'm getting one for myself. And you can too, because the links to buy all of these products can be found in the description below. Be sure to check them out and tell us what you think. Product number 7. Sombra Shade. Everyone loves going to the beach, and now, with this invention, you'll like it even more. No need for large parasols. The Sombra Shade is made with keeping the sun out in mind. It is easy to carry, it could even fit inside a backpack, and installing it is fairly simple as well. Just unfurl the shade, fill all the special pockets on each 4 ends with sand and anchor it to the beach. Add some simple metal rods to keep the Sombra Shade up, and that's it. If you feel like moving it, you can just pick up the pieces, put them in a bag, dump out the sand anchors, and be on your way. Simple yet cost-effective. Product number 8. Capsule W5. Back to the theme of summer and heat. Well, you're in luck, because here is one of the smallest air conditioners in the world. The Capsule W5 is designed with functionality and compactness in mind. It can be installed by placing the Capsule W5's frame underneath your window. Shut the window over it and place the Capsule W5 in the frame. Now simply plug it in and your home will become as cool as an early spring day. Set the temperature to however cool you want it to be. Simple and compact. The Capsule W5. Product number 9. Leka. In the words of Bob Ross, everybody needs a friend. And Leka was designed and programmed to be the friend that children with special needs really need. Leka is an interactive and multi-sensory smart toy offering children with special needs the ability to play fun and educational games that motivates social interactions that increase motor, cognitive, and emotional skills, as well as stimulates autonomy. AI is bound to become more, intelligent as time goes on. Some say that robots will never feel emotions as we do, but Leka would beg to differ. Leka comes with relaxing colors, soothing movements and vibrations, sound, and offers a full range of sensory stimulations able to spark curiosity, enjoyment, and encourage social interaction. Please like this video and help us reach more future inventors just like you. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly videos on tech you have never seen before. Click on the videos flashing on your screen and feed your inventor brain with more knowledge and entertainment. Thank you and have a good one.